Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by loosening what's stuck. Choose the right solvent for the paint type and pour enough to cover the ferrule base. Once done, swipe off loose flakes with a paint comb and submerge the bristles 30 to 60 minutes. Agitate gently every 10 minutes to let solvent penetrate. You're doing this to dissolve the paint layers rather than tearing them out, so be patient and check the brush frequently. If bristles soften quickly, move to rinsing. If not, extend the soak a bit. Now you get into the messy middle. After soaking, use a comb or wire brush to push softened paint from base to tip. This clears trapped material and restores flex. Once most paint is out, rinse thoroughly, running water for latex or clean solvent for oil, until clear. Then work the bristles between your fingers to reform the tip and align fibers. Make sure to remove any sleeve or metal debris and lightly towel dry. Proper reshaping. Here, finish by deep cleaning the brush with mild detergent and warm water to remove solvent residue. Then rinse and either spin or blot dry until tack-free. You want the ferrule aligned and bristles straight. Store flat or hang by the handle so the tip keeps shape. If bristles remain hard or brittle, repeat the solvent soak or use a commercial brush restorer. This breaks down stubborn polymerized paint. If restoration fails, salvage the ferrule and handle for a replacement head, but try the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.